Let's walk through some of the benefits of different types of scanners. One of the most traditional ones you'll encounter is the flatbed scanner. It's called this because it just has a large glass surface that you could load up with content. Now, keep in mind that inside of this type of scanner is a mechanism that moves back and forth relatively slowly to scan the information in and digitize the traditional photograph or document into a digital file. These scanners come in a variety of sizes. What you see here is a higher-end one meant for small businesses or homes. It has a lot of advanced features for really optimizing the image. However, here I have a much smaller one that's bus-powered, that doesn't need a separate power supply. And what's quite nice about it is it's really tiny and easy to put onto the desk. You just release that, and you can see the comparison in size. So no matter how small your desk is, they're scanners designed for most purposes. Now, they're very similar in functionality. The mechanisms are basically the same, except when you go with a larger scanner like this, it tends to support a higher quality scan overall. That doesn't mean that you can't get high quality scans with the smaller scanners. It just means that this has a higher maximum resolution. Now, with all of these, your top door or lid is going to be on a hinge. It also may have a mechanism like such, where it can expand a little bit to accommodate some thickness. This is going to make it easier if you have to put something like a book on there, because you see, it can actually lift up. We're going to walk you through how to use this type of scanner for two different scenarios. Some flatbed scanners are just designed for traditional prints, such as this one. However, you might find that the flatbed scanner actually has a removable compartment, like this. And this second area is designed to help with the scanning of things like slides or negatives, which makes the scanner more versatile if you have to load in other types of imagery. Now, these type of dedicated scanner units are quite useful and give you a lot of flexibility when it comes to digitizing your older images. But many of you may already have a scanner and not know it.